Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in MCX copper market today. Before looking into the, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday we had moved to the new contract. Since the previous contract is going to expire, we had moved to the new contract and the price opened somewhere near 456.3. we thought we can go for selling till 462 by placing stop loss near 463. The price took various support near 456 and it went up till 458.5 and closed near 458.15. So it had some support around 456. Today it is expected to open somewhere near 456 again. Based on COMEX price direction, we are predicting the price opening. So again, there is no change in the strategy. Still we expect the price to come down to reach 451, and you can maintain 462 as the max resistance and 463 as stop loss. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.